3, 2, 1.
What year did the American sitcom Taxi first hit the airwaves? The answer is C, 1978. In Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, Rubeus Hagrid was appointed by Headmaster Albus Dumbledore as the new teacher of what subject? The answer is A, care of magical creatures. What 1980 comedy movie starred Chevy Chase and Bill Murray and contained the funny line, "Hey, everybody, we're all gonna get laid"? The answer is A, Caddyshack. In Dutch, what is the word for 9? The answer is A, negen. Fish use some of their fins to propel themselves through the water and others to do what? The answer is C, steer. When a compression wave travels through a medium, in what direction is the medium displaced? The answer is C, in the same direction. Which mathematical constant is approximately equal to 2.71828? The answer is B, Euler's number. Which human organ system produces sperm or egg cells? The answer is D, reproductive system. Who created the game Last Half of Darkness? The answer is C, William R. Fisher Roman III. Which is successful reproduction? The answer is C, a doe runs beside her fawn. Which tool is used for spreading or leveling substances? The answer is C, trowel. Which mountain has a railway to its summit? The answer is B, Japan Alps. What genre is reggae music? The answer is D, ska. What is the best way for a student to describe the results of an experiment? The answer is C, in a written report. Who set the record for fastest marathon run in a dress? The answer is A, Allison Rowe. Which economist is known for his work on supply and demand and the invisible hand metaphor? The answer is C, David Ricardo. What is an object used for carrying items such as books or bags? The answer is C, tote. Which operating system was developed by Linus Torvalds? The answer is B, Linux. Single displacement reactions are a subset of what? The answer is C, redox reactions. Who is known as the light bringer in Greek mythology? The answer is C. Apollo. Who coined the phrase "I think, therefore I am"? The answer is A. Descartes. What is the title of Mark Twain's famous adventure novel about Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn? The answer is C. Tom Sawyer Abroad. What does amethyphobia mean? The answer is D. Fear of dust. Who created the periodic table? The answer is D. Dmitry Mendeleev. How many divisions of particular weather patterns and hours of daylight is a year divided into? The answer is A. 4. The Oiapoque River Bridge, built in 2010, is the first land connection between Brazil and what other country? The answer is C. France. Who developed Super Mario Bros? The answer is B. Nintendo. What ocean is closest to the equator? The answer is C. Indian Ocean. Which Beethoven symphony has the directions Allegro con vivio? The answer is D. 9th. On what continent did anatomically modern humans evolve?
The answer is B. Africa.
What animal can rotate its stomach to aid digestion? The answer is B. Camel. Which device allows current to flow in one direction only? The answer is D. Capacitor. Which African country's national anthem is called Wimbo wa Taifa in Swahili, meaning Anthem of the Nation? The answer is B. Kenya. On the show Green Acres, what was the name of the pig adopted by Fred and Doris Siffel? The answer is B. Arnold. Scientific models are very common. For which purpose below would a physical model be least helpful? The answer is D. Displaying data. Who wrote the poem The Raven? The answer is A. Edgar Allan Poe. What is another word for thermal energy? The answer is A. Heat. Which of these locations in the solar system contains the most asteroids? The answer is C. Between Mars and Jupiter. What is the capital of Greece? The answer is A. Athens. What has a head, but no body? The answer is D. Puzzle. Which bird has the largest egg? The answer is A. Ostrich. What is the term for much bigger evolutionary changes that result in new species? The answer is A. Macroevolution. On what year did George Carlin do his 13th HBO special entitled Life is Worth Losing? The answer is D. 2005. Why would prokaryotes be chemotrophs instead of phototrophs in a deep-sea hydrothermal vent? The answer is A. Lack of light. What is the name of the capital city of the U.S. state of Virginia? The answer is C. Richmond. Mount Everest is located in which country? The answer is B. Nepal. In the TV series Who's the Boss, Angela worked at what advertising agency? The answer is A. Wallace and McQuad. Which citrus fruit has the thickest rind?
The answer is C. Grapefruit.
Which acid maintains pH balance in blood? The answer is B. Carbonic acid. Which method can be used to transport oil over long distances?